we are going to build a very easy but effective bird feeder. But first, let me mention to our new viewers that we have an elaborate spread of a bird feeding station right here in the bird garden. It's a 24/7 live stream of the birds feeding every day. I think you're going to enjoy that. In the bird garden, we've had over 80 species of birds come through. Some stop and eat, others are just passing by. Some don't have an appetite for what we're feeding. That's okay. We'll attract what we can with the food that we provide. But you don't have to have anything fancy like to attract the birds. Start with this simple, do-it-yourself, cheap feeder to see what kind of birds you can attract. Simple is rugged. It's easy on the mind, easy on the wallet, easy on the back. It's sustainable. I could go on. You get the picture. This is your first step. This is sticking your toe in the water before you dive in the deep end. If you don't want to build a bird feeder, but you want to enjoy watching birds at a bird feeder, feel free to take in all of that 24/7 bird garden live stream that you can. I should probably mention that even though we don't have a lot of nocturnal feeding birds here, they're mostly daytime feeders out there at the 24/7 Bird Garden YouTube channel feeding station. So we do have a good video on a great horned owl that was just outside the bird feeding station. We have creatures of the night, including a recent bear visit. You never know what you're going to find out there at night. We've had raccoons, possums, deer mice, bears. The next door neighbor had a bobcat. I haven't caught him on camera yet. Anyway, check it out when you get a chance. Maybe you don't want to fool with the mess or the hassle or the time. It's okay. Let me do it for you. Just tune in to that 24/7 live stream of the Bird Garden YouTube channel feeding station. Welcome aboard. I think you're going to enjoy the ride. Let's watch how to build this simple but effective bird feeder. Hi, I'm Rack. I love feeding the birds. I think you will too, because it makes your life better. It reduces stress to watch these birds. It takes your worries away. You forget who's bugging you. So that's why I want to teach you how to build an easy, cheap, do-it-yourself bird feeder that the birds will love. Now watch to the end of the video and you'll see how the birds around here like this bird feeder. I appreciate you guys for supporting the Bird Garden channel so much, and it takes viewers like you for the channel to grow. I'm putting a lot of energy into these videos to help you discover the joy of watching birds. If you can get birds coming to your viewing area, once you get the birds acclimated to your feeder, they'll be back day after day, and anytime you need a stress break, just settle down and watch the birds for a minute. I've got a lot of bird watching videos. As a matter of fact, I'll link some up here. I believe if you'll watch my bird videos for 1 minute, it will make your life better. I've got a slew of videos on individual species. They're 15 seconds long. So if you'll watch 4 of them, that's just 1 minute of your time. I think it will make your life better. If you build this bird feeder, leave a comment below. And if birds come and eat from this feeder that you build, and I believe they will, definitely leave a comment below. I started watching birds on purpose when I was 10 years old. I think you get bonus points in heaven if you feed the birds. Are they still doing bonus points in heaven? You don't know? I enjoy feeding the birds. I get so much happiness from feeding the birds. Lowers my blood pressure, takes my mind off what's worrying me, relaxes me, gives me something that's so good I want to share with others. That's why I do these videos. Thank you for being here. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you know someone else who might enjoy this kind of content, share it on your social media. That's how the channel grows. We'll get some new friends in here. That's the dog.